Hello everybody, how are you? I am Noresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classdata.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the questions. So our today question is you are making a recipe that calls for a 2 divided by 3 cup of water but you can not find your 1 divided by 3 cups measures you do have your 1 divided by 4 cup measures how many times will you have to fill your 1 divided by 4 cup measures to measures out 2 divided by 3 cup of the waters. The correct answer of the question is 2 measures out 2 divided by 3 cup of water. Using a 1 divided by 4 cup measures you need to determine how many 1 divided by 4 cups are in divided by 2 divided by 3 cups. We can start by recognizing that 2 divided by 3 cup is equivalent to 4 divided by 6 cup and that 1 divided by 4 cup is equivalent to 3 divided by 12 cup. Then we can divide 4 divided by 6 by 3 divided by 12 to get 4 divided by 6, 3 divided by 12 is equal to 4 divided by 6 multiplied by 12 divided by 3 is equal to 8 divided by 3. So you will need to fill your 1 divided by 4 cup measures 8 divided by 3 times to measure out 2 divided by 3 cup of water. However, since you cannot fill in the 1 divided by 4 cup measures to 8 divided by 3 times extrally, you will need to round up to the nearest whole numbers. Therefore, you will need to fill the 1 divided by 4 cup measures 3 times 2 measures or 2 divided by 3 cup of water with a little a bit left hours. So that's the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classvita.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there are now sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.